Hello guys, first open the Mozilla Firefox. Be alert with other websites like Tor Browse, Tor anything. The official website name is Tor Browser. So you want to type it in Mozilla Firefox and the link will be there. You want to click it. Then this is the official website. Download Tor Browser. Right, having a 4 OS. So we want only the Kali Linux, so I can install Linux browser. So it will be downloading. It takes some minutes. You must wait for the time. Uh, 75% download will be finished. Download will be finished. We want to extract the file, Tor browser. Yeah, it will be extracted. Just open the Tor browser and first you must move the directory to your home page like root. So you want to paste it. Then you want to open a terminal and type. Now first we want to see our download file. Then we want to go to the directory cd directory. Then we want to move to directory. Then open cd browser. Then we want to check it up. So we want to open a type it. Change some alteration in that. The hash will be put on those 3 lines. Then save it. On 4 line also the F5 will be also. You want to put the hash. Then save it. It will be saved. You want to clear it. Then you want to clear it and move it up in the terminal and to install Alacarte. So you want to just type apt get install Alacarte. Sometimes these files cannot be installed. I can give the another video how to install Alacarte. Suppose you are not getting to update your apt get apt. So you want to get to type apt get update. Then you want to install the Alacarte. You want Alacarte or anything you want to install. Before that you want to get update. So it will be downloaded. Then you want to search main menu, open and usual applications to go to the accessories of internet. You want to click it and you want to adding a file. So Tor browser. To browse the file, you want to open home page and the file will be there. You want to open up, browser will be open. Then you want to open a start our browser. Okay, click OK. Start our browser. Okay. Then you want to comment, you want to put it anything. Then you want to make icon. The icon will be there. Before browser or anything. The icon will be there. Then you click it to browser, Chrome. The icon will be there. You want to select any one of the icon. Then click OK. Yeah, it will be correct. Then OK. Yeah, the Tor browser will be shown here. Then close. Then you want to search Tor browser. Open it up. Then we are installing Tor browser. Then you want to connect it. So you want to connect, the button will be click it. Then you want to remove the settings and to connect. It will be loading for some seconds. Thereafter the website browser will be open. Then you can type to search your IP by using these letters. Click it as link. Yeah, it will work well. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting our channel and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get more videos from our channel. The hacking series will be uploaded for every week, so don't miss it, guys.